We are trying to go and find the big creek fall. So, shoot! Today I missed my hike, so I decided not to waste the day and take the family for a trip onto the falls. And because I knew I haven't never seen this fall, I've decided to go and see Cedar Creek Falls in Samford area. It's a beautiful walk and a great short walk for families. Plus, we could see the little village and we could have a swim in the little creek. Bamboo everywhere. Did you hear the creek? Oh, look at this! Look, mommy. In a second. Wait. Cedar Creek on the Samford side, it's about 25 minutes walk from the car park.
Okay, we're here. Okay, let's go.
Oh. Okay, so we go through the forest somewhere there. We are Cedar Creek Falls and we are trying to go and find the big creek fall. Mommy, you just fall into your face. The great part is that you will walk over big rocks, boulders, you will go into the bush trails, and also you can dip your toes in the creek. Don't fall! That's so good! Oh! So good, guys! Well done! It's also a perfect path to follow and explore with your little friends like dogs and your kids. And don't forget, if you love the nature, you have so much to listen, like the birds, and also to watch the flowers and the fish and the turtles. You really get to have so much fun amongst other people and you can enjoy the nature. Are you fine? Yeah, I'm going up the car. Kathy decided to stay here for a second. This is so beautiful. We're doing some shots in here. Kathy decided to swim. Oh my goodness, look. Gentle. Oh, she just flew.
Oh my god, that was the first time I've seen turtles.
Mommy, I can give you the shoes, the wet shoes, and you can go in the water if you want. this is a nice place to swim. So good. So good. Ready, mommy, to go to waterfall? Okay, let's go to the waterfall. Party. If we don't come by tonight, you come after us. Huh? Let's go. So we decided, me and Keith, to go to the waterfall. Oh my goodness, look at this dude. Where are you? Lucky he goes in the water. Okay, ready? Let's go to find the waterfall. In the top we can go. Okay, mommy, hold on tight, okay? Woo! And I have to take my tripod with me because hopefully I have enough battery to take some. No running. What did I say? No running, please. I have to take some pictures. Hopefully, if I can. With this dude, it could be interesting. Okay. We walked up and down the creek. We stopped. We just enjoyed the water and the sounds. We swim. We took a bunch of pictures. We played in the mud, and we got showered by the rain. As I said, Cedar Creek is dog friendly, and you can swim with them in the water. You can have picnic on the rocks, you can swim in the water, in the main big waterfall, or you can choose your own little holes to swim in. Don't forget to bring great non-slippery shoes because the rocks are very slippery. I say bring good food with you because it's nothing to buy and there are no shops in the creeks, at the creeks. But you can stop on your back in Samford village and you can enjoy some ice cream. So we managed to climb a lot. So he is going to the slide on the rock pool and I will record him. I just need to go close by. Say, mommy! Now in the water! Woo! Okay, you right? You're so brave! Yeah?
Yeah, I love this place.
So good! Well done! The water is freezing cold. Here we go. What you doing? Come out? Oh, he's done. Okay, I'll go out and then I'll jump again and then we'll head back to the camp. Is it raining? Maybe a little bit? Okay, I'm coming. We are dressed and we are going up the rocks and we'll show you what we can find in there. There are no shops at the creek, but on your way back you can stop in Samford and you can buy some ice cream, and there are some lovely little shops where you can have some food. From photography point of view, this little place offers so many opportunities. Just bring your camera, bring some ND filters and take some amazing slow motion videos or still images.
Okay, ready to come back? All right. So, shoot! Oh my God, that was close. Stay there. We are heading back because the rain is starting to come like crazy, and we still have to go down the rocks, and I don't want to fall. And I still need to pick up this dude. Ready to go back? Okay, stop. Woo, good job. Okay, let's go dress and let's go back. Ready to go back? Yes. Cool. Woohoo! So we came back from the walk. Two walks because we had to go back after Rio, and we just seen this beautiful gate. I'll turn the camera around and man, it's like Dracula Castle. Let me show. I see. Look at this. And then it goes on the river. He can cross that way, and look at this pond here, like they can swim like crazy. I'll just go around and show you underneath. Like this, it's crazy beautiful. Look at this. Unbelievable. How was the walk, Mommy?
Bad.
Why?
Bad.
You're silly. How many times you've done the creek fall? Twice?
Bad.
Yeah, you're silly. Are you tired?
Bad.
So we stopped at the Samford gelato to get an ice cream because we were so tired. We've done the creek like twice, and we got the rain, we got the cold water, we got the wind. We got a little bit scared because the girl fell off on the fall, and then the firefighters and the ambulance came through. Leo got crazy and he went on a different route. I went on a different route back, and we couldn't find each other, so we got a little bit scared. Lesson is to buy some walkie-talkie today, and because we didn't have any signal. We couldn't call each other. So walkie-talkies as soon as we reach in Brisbane. In this way we can communicate within the 5k range and we will never get lost. And at least we can find each other and know where we are. For now we are eating our ice cream. Ow! And we are going back home for afternoon sleep. Okay, we will play a bit in the park, then go home, and we are done for today. So this was our trip to the Creek Falls, Cedar Creek Falls in Samford. Hope you enjoy it. See you soon.